Hey friends! Today, we're drawing a soft, elegant white lily in anime style using markers. Let's break it down step by step. It's easier than you think and super relaxing to do. Sketching the structure. Let's start by understanding the structure of a lily. Lily flowers typically have 6 petals, arranged in 2 layers. They also have 6 stamens, that's those little sticks sticking out from the center. When viewed from the side, the whole flower kind of looks like a tiny trumpet, with some of the petals curving and curling at the edges. Don't worry about making everything super symmetrical. Petals can overlap or have spacing. It actually looks more natural that way. Now just slowly adjust the shape until it feels balanced. Lily leaves are long and narrow. Some might bend, some might not. And lastly, sketch in the flower center, the stamens and the pistil. Once you're happy with the layout, it's time to ink. You don't need to go overboard with detail, especially if you're tight on time. Erase any unnecessary pencil lines before inking. It's a great chance to refine the details. When you ink, you can bolden the line work at intersections. It adds a nice dynamic feel. Once everything's inked and clean, yep, it's time for the fun part. Coloring. Coloring the lily. Let's start with a warm gray to shade the inner folds of the petals, the flower center, and any petals tucked underneath others. Use a lighter gray to soften those edges and blend things out. In the center of the flower, use a yellow-green tone to bring it to life. Just focus on the middle zone for now. You can add a little more intensity by layering a bit of the same color around the folds or inner creases. For the veins in the petals, use a deeper green and gently brush outward from the center. It adds some realism without overcomplicating. Then just deepen any shadows you feel need a little more contrast. Next, let's color the anthers and the stigma. Use a soft pink as a base. Then layer on a bit of reddish-brown to give it that warm, rich tone. The filaments, the thin stalks, can be done with a light green. If you want to add more dimension, feel free to add a light green tint to the shaded parts too. Now for the stem and leaves, start with a base green, nice and light. Use a deeper green to define the shadows. And then layer a medium saturation green across the whole thing for balance. To really make the drawing pop, take your colorless blender, 0, to highlight areas of light, especially on the leaf edges. Then go in again with a deep green to clean up those shadow edges. And use a light green to smooth out the transitions near the highlights. Finish off by using a white colored pencil to pop out those brightest highlights, especially along the leaf edges and anywhere catching direct light. I'm using Holbein OP501 here, but any good white pencil works fine. Quick recap. We're drawing a single lily bloom with 6 petals, arranged in 2 offset layers. The lily's side profile is trumpet-like, with long, oval petals that often curl at the tips. Leaves are narrow and long, some straight, some gently bent. Stamens? There are 6. Each has an anther and filament connected in a T shape. And there you go. Your lily is complete. Blossom. This style works beautifully in journals, anime scenes, or just for some relaxing art time. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, share it with a friend who loves markers, and subscribe for more flower tutorials. Let me know what flower you'd like me to draw next.